How to add filters to your CapCut videos. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you want to add different type of filters to your videos, it is quite simple. First of all, tap open and launch your application and then select the video on which you would want to add the filters to. Once you have selected the video, just scroll down or slide towards the left. There is an option called as filters. Tap on it. Now here are different types of things that you can apply related to featured scenery, movies and styles or different kinds of features such as colors. Now you can select the one that you want to add. Those which are written as Pro on the top right corner must have the CapCut Pro version. However, others are free. So you can just tap on the free option and then arrange the size or the opacity as well. You can adjust the size, duplicate it, split the section, layer it or delete it as well. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.